Hello, welcome to I Kinda Wanna DIY. Stay tuned for the next 60 seconds and I will show you how I made this cutting board. First I engraved some letters into one of the pieces. Then I arranged the boards on some pipe clamps for the glue up. I used plenty of glue and wiped off the squeeze out with a wet rag. Then I trimmed the sides on the table saw. I cleaned it all up with some 80 grit sandpaper and my random orbit sander, and then rounded over the top with my trim router. I sanded again with 220 grit, and off camera I sprayed the board with water to raise the grain, then finished with 400 grit. I then added some cutting board oil. Thanks for watching.